Alright guys, this episode of Lost Tapes is about a devil monkey. Let's see what the found footage has for us. Kinda sounds like Arnold Schwarzenegger screaming.
So, I invited Rachel to our game on Saturday, man. She's gonna come with Sarah.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
No, but what if I mess up or something?
It's all
That's
good,
terrible.
man. Don't worry about that.
No, man.
What do we got
ruin
here?
it.
Check this out, man.
Is this a
Hello?
sort of Bigfoot?
Whoa. Anybody here?
Oh, there are security cameras.
Dude, what are you doing? Owen.
You got gasoline right here?
Owen,
We should go.
what the
The
fuck?
trail's way back there. We're gonna
Relax, man. Quit being such a chicken.
Owen, stop being
you
stupid.
Matt's a chicken.
Please. Stop. Dude, wait.
Live a little bit. Oh, come on, check this out, dude. Looks like a still.
Still?
Oh, that might be a drug den.
This is great.
Dude, this is illegal.
This is perfect.
If they find us in here,
We
man.
can bring some chicks up. We got food. We
No,
got
we should
booze.
just get
This is
going.
Amazing.
Yeah, you gotta get the. That is not.
All right, seriously, let's go. No, let's go.
What was it? Go!
Uh-oh, rabid monkey.
Keep it back.
This one is one more realistic. This one is already one of the more realistic ones because there are idiot celebrities and idiot rich people who have you decide to keep exotic animals as pets, and then they decide to release them into the wild when they're like, oh no, this isn't cute anymore. And there's also an abandoned island in the United States that has monkeys that were used in medical research.
No!
Oh, shit.
There are creatures science refuses to recognize.
This is Stacy Foster with WGLOK.
In April 2009, West Virginia reporter Stacy Foster accompanied ATF agents Ollie Moy and Mark West, along with local law enforcement officer Ernest Tybee, on a moonshine raid in the Appalachian Hills.
You have to catch the
Moonshine.
shiners red-handed with the finished product. You can't just bust somebody for having, sugar and grain.
Yes, they've relocated since last time we were after them, but they're about to move out all of their gear.
Be prepared for a lot of stuff, a lot of danger. We got booby traps or the guard dogs or armed moonshiners. So,
Booby traps.
yeah,
Really?
pretty much seen it all.
Now poised to move in and catch the moonshiners red-handed, the team instead would face something of an entirely different nature.
Is there also a
One
cameraman
that
with
was
them?
far more deadly. These are their tapes.
A possibly rabid monkey.
Y'all see that?
What the hell did that?
Something but the sign? Yeah, something but the sign.
What is that? Is that a claw mark?
Well, you're the wildlife expert, Tybee. You tell us.
You got me. I mean, there's a lot of game out here with claws like this, but not with this kind of fur. That's strange.
Boys and girls, that looks like fresh blood to me, so whatever did that is so close by, I suggest we stay.
What was that?
I don't know, but I think we're being watched.
The devil monkey is a legendary creature most often sighted in the United States Appalachians. They're said to be compared to a giant baboon, but
A loose pet baboon.
indeed, it's unlike any baboon or monkey that you've ever known.
The devil monkey is approximately 4 to 6 feet in height. It has long, powerful arms, deep-set eyes, covered with matted fur. It tends to hunch itself down and propel itself forward, sometimes 20 feet at a shot.
I'm
They're
gonna look
called
up
devil
how
monkeys
big a
because
baboon
they act
is.
like little devils. They act very mischievously, but they're also very aggressive.
How big is a baboon? How tall is a baboon standing on its hind legs? A baboon, when standing up, can be 3.5 feet to 6 feet. Wait, this is from the AI thing. It might just be for extinct. That is for extinct baboons. Okay, there's a yellow baboon. Let's see how tall these fuckers are. Are they like standing or? Baboons are big. Could also be a loose chimpanzee.
So far, we've been hiking for about 35 minutes, making our way towards the Moonshiners' camp. We've been hearing some strange noises, and the ATF agents think it may be the Moonshiners warning each other. I hope not, so we can still catch them and make the bust.
What?
I think some people just had some pet primates.
Oh, would you
And they
look
got
at that?
loose. People saw them, and
Is that one of those booby traps you were telling us about earlier?
then the legend
This is
started
just
to
an
grow
alarm.
from there.
But as Officer Tybee
Because
was explaining
of
earlier,
telephone.
the moonshiners
Name of
have been known
telephone.
to use serious booby traps, barbed wire, spike boards, rig shotguns. So we need to be very careful. We need to keep our eyes peeled. The next one of these up there could be dangerous. Everybody got that? Let's move forward.
Move carefully, people.
I told you all to watch your step. Who took the line? Stacy?
Oh,
It was a wild animal.
What in tarnation?
Hey, it's fresh. It's the wrong shape to be a bobcat, and it's too small to be a bear.
I'll say.
Well, if it's not a bear, what the hell kind of other animal is it going to be?
A monkey.
That's a good question.
Primate.
I thought I knew all the tracks out here.
Here it is again.
All right. What this is, it's the moonshiners obviously trying to scare us. Okay?
well, it's working.
Yeah.
Come on, let's move forward. Let's go.
Devil monkeys are certainly deadly creatures. They often
Yeah,
have
we've
the
seen
skill
a
and strength
chimpanzee
of
fighting another
known
animal.
primates, but
They
they're
rip
also
their shreds.
combined with the mystery and terror of a creature that really are only known in legends.
One of the reasons that chimpanzees are such great predators is that even though they're large in size, they can go very quickly and agilely in the trees as well as on the ground. They can really move quickly and swing through, run on branches, and capture their prey. They have huge canines and a powerful jaw, and once they've grasped on with their canines, then it would be impossible to get away.
They usually attack the face or tear off the most vulnerable extremities.
Like your
That
private
means
parts.
fingers, toes, facial features, genitals.
Yeah.
So it can be a really ugly attack.
All of the known primates have
You don't want your.
upper
I do not
body
want my
strength.
country
If you
by
translate that
chimpanzee.
to the devil monkey, you're in for a hell of a time.
Now that is a doozy. I guess I owe you one, Mr. West.
Let's go ahead and disable that trap so no one gets hurt.
Oh, that's a shotgun.
My pleasure, Ollie.
No, it's a.
Thank you
It's a
very much.
crossbow. I hear the jump scare music.
Steady, boys. Stacy, you might want to step back just a touch.
Wait, maybe one of the two idiots from earlier.
ATF agent, freeze where you are.
Stacy, you might want to step back just a touch.
ATF agent, freeze where you are.
Oh yeah, yeah, all the idiots. Oh,
Thank God.
Don't move.
Rise up on your feet, son. Rise up on your
I just get.
feet with your hands in the air.
Okay, okay.
Put your hands in the air. Rise up on your feet, son. Rise up on your feet with your hands in the air.
Okay, okay.
Put your hands in the air.
Okay,
Rise up
okay,
slowly.
okay.
Calm down.
Wait.
What's your name?
Matt. Please, God, we have to go. They're killers. They're after us. They're monsters.
This kid looked pretty banged
What
up.
are you just standing there for? We have to go. We have to go.
This kid is going to let the whole world know where we are.
All right, we can't take him with us. What do you suggest?
We can't compromise the mission.
No, we have to go. We have to go. Please, come on. What are you doing? God, we
Calm
have
down.
to go.
Calm down. Be calm.
They're out
okay?
there. They're following. They're
We'll be back
killers.
to pick you up, okay?
What?
Just calm down.
No. What do you mean? You can't leave me here.
Let's get a move on, boys.
It's clearly an unaccompanied minor.
We have to go. We have to go. They're following me. They're dangerous.
Stay together.
They're killers. Oh, God. Don't go. Don't leave me here. Please, God. Wait.
I think the primary reason devil monkeys attack people are because they're threatened.
Yeah,
Their
they're scared
territory
animals.
threatened. They find it as their major means of putting distance between themselves and humans is to let people know, if you don't move on, I'm going to attack you. I'm going to kill you.
Indeed, devil monkeys are very dangerous creatures. They're strong, they're fast, they're really intelligent, and from what I've heard, they're extremely resourceful. You don't really want to wander into the forest of a devil monkey. It may be the last thing you ever do.
All right, as moonshine camps go, this is a pretty well-established operation. You can see you've got a really nice, well-defined still right here. You've got your supply barrels here. You've got bunk tents in the perimeter. There's a supply tent across the way there. Gentlemen, our first position is going to be at the supply barrels. Are we ready?
They're gonna find a dead body of the other idiot.
You'll be fine. Just stay next to Tybee and keep that camera ready. In a few minutes, we'll have a couple of bad guys for you to film, and we can all go home, all right? Let's go.
I wonder if the the other? I wonder if the moonshiners are held by the devil monkeys.
It's fresh blood. Tybee, cover us.
Gotcha. Let's go.
Oh yeah, that's been ransacked.
What the hell happened here? This camp looks like it's been ransacked and torn apart.
This is the Alcohol Control Board. We have you surrounded. Come out with your hands up.
Boy, I got something over here. You might want to take a look at it.
What is it?
Not sure.
It's jump
Damn
scare
place
music.
looks like there was a last stand or something.
Who's out there?
Oh shit!
A small town terrorized by a deadly beast. Eyewitness accounts matching descriptions of the devil monkey. And a search party on the hunt to track the creature down. The shocking true story when Lost Tapes continues. South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, 1934. Several major newspapers report eyewitness accounts of a mysterious beast with lightning speed and the ability to leap across fields. Its malicious attacks on local pets and livestock include a trained police dog being mauled and devoured. Fearful for their lives, locals begin toting firearms to defend themselves. A search party is formed, but the creature disappears as quickly as it came. And though devil monkey sightings persist throughout the United States, to this day, its actual whereabouts cannot be confirmed.
Well, because we all died out. Hopefully. I know some chimpanzees got loose a few years ago. And I'm hoping that they got bit by some venomous.
Who's out there?
Agent West, do you copy?
Tybee, cover me.
What is it?
I don't know. West, you okay? What the hell's going on?
Looks like one of our moonshiners. He's seen better days.
Yeah, he's dead.
Why did you answer me?
Something hit me from behind. Turned around and there was nothing. Look at all these all over the place.
So it's just like what we saw down on the trail. Never seen anything like it. Come on, let's get a move on. Them?
Yeah, it's some dangerous wildlife. I suggest getting in the container for cover and calling for help.
More blood? This place is all tore up. I ain't never seen anything like this.
They're on the run. Tybee, cover the front of the still. We're going around back.
Copy that.
Got nothing. We just heard him. Ivy, move in and secure the still.
They're gonna find another dead body.
Oh my god.
Yep. Ripped his foot off. And his upper body off.
Oh my god.
That honestly looks like something a chimp can do.
What the hell was that?
Oh, they are getting fucked up.
Boy, Wes, come in! What the hell's going on out there?
Oh, man. They are currently getting mauled.
What the hell was that?
Boy, Wes, come in! What the hell's going on out there?
You're getting mauled by a fucking chimp. Or maybe two.
What do we do?
I don't know.
Call 911. Did they just...
Hey, who's back there?
Oh, it's a guy in a chimp. It's a guy in a monkey suit. Girl, run! We're gonna get fucking jump scared again. Honestly, the costume's kind of funny. It's like someone gave a chimpanzee super soldier serum. Did she make it? Did she make it?
In the days that followed, authorities recovered the remains
Oh,
of
no.
Stacy Foster and all the other members of the operation. Their bodies were severely mauled and could only be identified through DNA and dental records. Matt Jones survived the ordeal and issued a statement to authorities about what he encountered that night. West Virginia lawmakers have since assembled a team of zoological experts to investigate unusual wildlife activity in the area. Though it was clear the attacks were committed by some type of mammal, key questions still remain. What species native to Appalachia could have inflicted such massive damage?
Obviously
How many
radioactive
are
for released
there, and do they
animals.
live among us?
Oh, you motherfucker. So that was the devil monkey. What do you think the actual sightings of devil monkeys were? I'm betting that they were just released pets. Released exotic pets. Don't keep chimpanzees, don't keep primates as pets. That's very dangerous. See you next one later.